Hello my dear friend, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic comparison of adverbs. Okay, comparison of adverbs. You already know about the means of adverb. You can see here the definition of adverb is an adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of verb, an adjective or another adverb. It is a simple example of the adverb, and you know well about that the kinds of adverb like it is the adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, etc. Or the many kind of adverb you will read. You have already read in a previous chapters. Okay. Next we have to talking about the topic comparison of adverb. Comparison means to compare. Okay, we can compare the verb or verb of manner, time, place, frequency, etc. Okay, so let's start and know more thing about the means of comparison. Okay, first you know there are three parts of the comparison. In which condition we can compare the verb. Okay, it is adverb, so we can compare about the verb. Okay, so there are 3 degrees. Okay, 3 degrees of the comparison. First is the positive. Okay, second is the comparative, and third is the superlative. It is the degree. Okay, it is a degree. Okay, so we can talking about the adverb. So it is the form of the adverb, positive degree of adverb. Okay, comparative degree of adverbs, and third is superlative degree of adverbs. It means we can using these 3 forms in a sentence and compare the degree. Okay, they compare the degree of adverb. Okay, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. First we talking about the positive degree. Okay, take a single example. Ram walk fast. Okay, Ram, it is a positive degree. Ram walks fast. So you can see here, fast word is a adverb that tells us about more thing about the verb walks. Walks word is a verb. Okay, it is a verb, and this fast word telling us how the Ram walks. So this first word is the positive degree. Okay, it is a positive degree. There is no any more person to compare with the Ram. It is the manner of only Ram. How can he walk? He walks fast. So fast word is the positive degree. I hope you all understand it. Okay. Next we talking about that Ashok walks faster than Ram. Ashok walks faster than Ram. In this sentence, Ashok walks faster than Ram. In this sentence, you can see that Ashok is walks like a Ram, but Ashok is the faster than Ram. Okay, it means more movement or more fastly the Ashok walk. Okay, so we can say that there are 2 persons. Okay, Ashok and Ram. There are 2 persons, and we can compare the 2 persons by using the degree of comparison or the comparative degree of the adverb. Okay, so when we compare two or between two person, then we always use the comparative degree. Okay, and when we telling about more thing about the verb, then using the adverb, it means the comparative degree of the adverb. For example, you can see here fast is the adverb. Fast word is a adverb, and in the second sentence you can see that fast will be faster. Okay, it change into the faster. So faster word is the adverb. Okay, which kind of the adverb? It is the adverb of comparative degree of adverb. Clear? In which condition we can use comparative degree of adverb? When we compare more than two person, it means in the between two person. Okay, when we use between two person, then our adverb will be changed into the comparative form. So faster word is the comparative form of adverb. I hope you all understand it. Okay, now next is superlative degree of adverb. Okay, superlative degree of adverb. You can see here, they walks the fastest of all. They walks the fastest of all. Okay, listen here. They walks the fastest of all. All is referred to the more than two person. Okay, it referred to the more than two person. So when we can talking about the more than two person, when we compare about the more than two person, then we can use the superlative degree. So you can see here, fast is the adverb. Okay, which kind of the adverb? It is the positive degree of adverb. Faster is the adverb. Which kind of the adverb? It is the adverb comparative degree of adverb. Now you can see here, fastest. Fastest word is also adverb, but it is not his real form. It is the form of superlative degree of adverb. Okay, we can talking about the walks. Okay, we can talking about the walks. Walks is a verb. Okay, and here the telling us manner of the verb is a fastest. It is the adverb. It tell us more thing about the verb. Fastest word tell us more thing about the verb. So fastest word will be the adverb. Okay, and in the degree we can see that it is the superlative degree. Comparison of superlative degree. Clear? So when we use superlative degree, then it will be superlative degree of adverb. Okay, I hope you all understand it very well. So we can use some of the adverb in a as a form, like a fast will be fast, faster, and fastest. Okay, so as we can use near. Near is also adverb. Near, nearer, nearest. Okay, loud is a adverb. Then it will be loud, louder, loudest. Okay, some of the other example, by using the more or most, it is also referred to the adverb of by using the more or most, like a wisely. Wisely is a adverb. And when we use more wisely and most wisely, okay, more wisely is a comparative degree of adverb, and most wisely is referred to the superlative degree of adverb. So as this is the form of comparison, it is the way of comparison to the verb, okay, by using the adverb. Clear? I hope you all understand it. Clear? Next we talking about the another topic. So thank you for the watching video.